Hey there, future finance gurus. Welcome to the ultimate guide on personal finance education. My name is Lily, and in this video, I'll be giving you tips and tricks for taking control of your finances as a high school student. Saving. First things first, let's talk about saving. The earlier you can start saving money, the better. Open a savings account at your bank and have a portion of any money you earn automatically deposited into it. Make saving a habit by setting aside even just $5.10 per week from gifts, allowance, or your part-time job. It will add up over time. Earning. Speaking of earning, as a high school student, you can make money by doing odd jobs like babysitting, tutoring, mowing lawns, or walking dogs. Check with neighbors, family, and friends to see if they need help with anything and could pay you. The money you earn now will give you flexibility and options later. Budgeting. Once you start earning and saving, it's time to budget. Tracking your expenses is crucial to managing your money wisely. Use a spreadsheet or app to log how much you spend on things like food, entertainment, and clothes each month. Set limits for yourself in each category. Planning ahead is the key to budgeting successfully. Investing. Now we're getting serious. Long-term investing can set you up for financial success after high school and into adulthood. Talk to your parents about opening a custodial investment account. You can invest small amounts into stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Compounding returns will help grow your money over decades. Starting early and regularly investing gives you a huge advantage. Credit. Finally, let's discuss credit. As an authorized user on your parents' credit card, you can slowly start to build credit. Use the card only for small, infrequent purchases that you can repay right away. This will demonstrate responsible usage. Maintaining good credit by making payments on time will help qualify you for loans with better rates in the future. There you have it, our top tips for taking control of your personal finances as a high school student. Follow this advice to save, earn, budget, invest, and build credit wisely. Financial literacy now will set you up for security and success down the road. The financial world is your oyster,